Great performance is achieved by not having too much. I decided to place this video at the end of the World Cup. We had Spain versus Argentina. As much as I was supporting Argentina, there's an essence to Lamine Yamal that makes him literally me. This essence is, it's someone who's too young, he's winning too much stuff, and it's too early, or whatever it is that the people say, to sort of go against him. I won my 89th award yesterday. This is in 3 years of photography. I shouldn't be able to. There's people who have been taking photos for 20 years. They don't do that type of thing. And what has been driving me is actually not having rather than having. What will drive a peak performance from a Spain is not having a World Cup, but also what will weigh down in Argentina could be a having of a World Cup. Not specifically that, you know, in all alternate futures Argentina cannot win, but here's the idea. When you're hungry, your body increases its performance. You become able to hunt. Your body's a hunter-gatherer. You become able to hunt when you are hungry. You see, it makes your body lighter. You know, your body becomes more nimble. You find that someone who's leaner has more testosterone, so on and so forth. Your body starts to help you to be able to do things because you don't have food. The reason why this is important as an idea is sometimes in order to increase your performance, you need to reduce what you have. Meaning, in order to, let's say, do better at making money, it might be that you need to reduce assets or reduce the materialism in your company, the material of your company, such that people are now more mobile or more hungry. It could be that you just reduce the amount allocated to stuff there. You'll find that it activates, or it can activate, action. Fasting is actually highly beneficial to your body because the lack of food activates your body. I wanted to just sort of throw this at you, or lob it to you, or pass it to you, for lack of better words, because sometimes a person thinks, in order to become a better photographer, maybe I should get a better camera, maybe I should get more equipment. Could be that in order to become a better photographer, you need to get less equipment. Could be that in order to become a better runner, you need to eat less super nutritious whatever food. Could be that you should just drink water. You know, there's an ability to, or there is an ability unlock in the simplification of life itself. Should you just sit down and not do anything? Do you know how refreshing that would be? I don't know if I can do it, but I'll tell you what, that would reset your dopamine. That would reset so much about your body if you just sat there and did nothing. It's why we like to escape to rural areas, places with no electricity, so on and so forth. It's a reset, a reduction of having. A reduction of having creates an ability to do. A reduction of having creates an ability to do. I hope this makes sense. It's a bit deep, it's a bit philosophical, but it's also something about your spiritual nature. You get weighed down by material. So if you would like to sprint, if you'd like to fly, if you'd like to perform, if you'd like to dribble a ball, could be that you need to get rid of what is weighing you down.